Semangat.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. So a tense roadside standoff has put rapper MT back in the headlines for all the wrong reasons. Footage that began circulating online on the 23rd of August 2026 appears to show two older individuals at the window of a VW minibus locked in a heated argument with its occupant and reportedly walking away with a collection of the rapper's personal belonging. The woman inside the vehicle has been identified by online commentators as MT's current girlfriend, Nandine Datani. According to the caption that accompanied the clip, two individuals outside the minibus are the rapper's parents, who allegedly showed up to reclaim items belonging to their son, including his phone, bank cards, jewelry, clothes, and the key to the minibus itself, you guys. As the camera zoomed in, Nandi and those with her appeared visibly shaken as the confrontation unfolded and items were taken directly from the car. MT's parents are alleged to have confronted Nandi over items are said to belong to the rapper, including his phone, bank cards, jewelry, and cars. That was the caption to the video. The timing of the footage is striking. Just days before it surfaced, online blogs reported that MT has appeared in court where his bail was revoked and he was taken into custody after allegedly sending WhatsApp messages to his ex-wife Nicole Chensemi in violation of a protection order. This despite having issued a public apology to her children, and his fans for his past behavior. What exactly triggered the confrontation over his belongings remains unclear. Neither MT nor Nandi has addressed the footage publicly at the time of the incident, you guys. And in fact, Nandi's most recent update, posted on the 19th of August, showed the couple shooting a music video together for a song called We Are, suggesting that their relationship is still intact. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it. We'll see you in the next one.